When your cattle system's feeder arrives, it is banded together in a 33-inch wide, 54-inch tall, by 18-foot long bundle. After removing it from the trailer, lay the bundled feeder down on its side prior to removing the banding. Carefully unstack the feeder panels and remove all 4 pins from the feed side chains. Place one end panel in its upright position, leaning it against a hay bale or fence post. Then place one feed panel into the slots of the end panel and slide the pin into place. Putting a short 4x4 wood block on the opposite end of the feed panel makes setting the next end panel much easier. Place second end panel slots into the feed side that is blocked up and place the pin. Leaning the feed side straight up and down helps this process along. Now place final feed side by inserting and pinning one end at a time. Once all 4 pins are securely placed, slide both feed sides together and it is ready for transporting. All cattle systems feeders can be picked up and moved using either 4-foot forks or a bucket and a grapple. After positioning your feeder, open the feed sides and it is ready to load.